Welcome to our video on adding an agent website to your Office account. This will enable you to add a personal agent website for agents on your roster. And with that, let's get started. Begin by logging into your Office's admin account. From the bottom of your homepage, go ahead and click Admin menu. Ensuring that you're logged into the Office admin account, on the left, go ahead and click on Account. And from here, click on Agents, found here. Here you'll see the list of agents. If a agent website can be created for an agent, you'll see under their name on their card, create a agent website for this agent. And if you don't see an agent here, but you'd like to create one, go ahead and press add agent in the bottom left. Follow the steps, but ensure that you use an email that they have access to, as that is how they'll access both their account and their agent website. But rather than creating the agent website here, let's manage it from the Websites tab directly. On the left, go ahead and click on Websites, seen here. This will list all current websites for your Office account, showing the brokerage Office website at the top and any subsequent agent websites underneath. And Office accounts start with 5 agent websites available, but more can be added later as needed if desired. If you'd like to use one of your available agent websites and create an agent website, go ahead and press Add Agent Website here. As mentioned earlier, they must have an agent account before an agent website can be created for them. From here, select an agent you'd like to create an agent website for and press OK. And with that, the agent website will be created. You can go to the admin menu and edit or modify that account as desired as the Office admin by clicking Admin found here. This will give you the agent's view when they log into their account. That means you'll be able to do anything that they'd be able to on their end, but as the Office manager, such as viewing or editing their current listings. Their own personal listings will be managed from within their own listing manager, as the two accounts are separate. The Office has its listings and then the agent website has theirs, but there's a way to combine the two if desired. And we'll cover that in just a little bit. Before we do so, I'll show you how to swap from the agent account view back to the Office view. From the admin menu of either account as the Office admin, you'll be able to click the top of the screen seen here and maneuver as desired between the different accounts and admin menus. And just like that, we're back to managing the main Office website, where we can manage our own Office listings. But if we'd like to see our agent website listings under our Office listings here, in case we want to showcase them, I'll show you how to integrate that now. From here, go ahead and click Agents at the top of your screen. And then from the Agents tab, click Websites, found here. You'll notice that the agent website has a Share Listings circle that you can check on. If you do that, it will send the listings from the agent website's listing manager over to the Office's listing manager and display them as if they were within that same listing manager. Now, I mention this because the listings are still managed under the agent's listing manager. They will just be included for display for the Office's listings. And the website tries to give you a fair amount of warnings, letting you know, hey, that's going to be the dynamic for managing those listings. They'll still be managed under the agent's listing manager. But as we showcased just a little bit ago, you can swap to being that agent and manage the listings as desired if desired. So we'll go ahead and press OK and confirm we want to share our listings to the main Office. You'll see that checked on and we're all set. And that concludes our video on adding an agent website to your Office account. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will give you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. And most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our elite service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.